If your Pixel phone is unresponsive, you can force restart it by holding both the power button and the volume up button. The volume button looks like a single button, but it has two sides, and you want to make sure you're pressing the upper one. When you press the buttons, you'll need to hold them down at least for a full 15 to 30 seconds. If you get a power off menu or digital assistant on your screen, just ignore that and continue to hold down the buttons. Ignore the screen and keep the buttons pressed. If you really want to make sure the phone restarts properly, keep holding the buttons until you see the Google logo appear. Most people let go when the screen turns black, but the only real way of ensuring a proper restart is to hold them down until the Google logo appears. In my case, it took a long time before the logo appeared, but eventually I got there. Now, if the phone is completely black and won't turn on even after holding down those buttons, plug it into a USB-C charger and let it charge for at least 10 minutes before trying again. Sometimes the phone can be frozen because the battery is too low and the charging animation is stuck. And that's how you force restart your Pixel. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.